Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set custom notification sound on Android phone. Okay, let's get into it. If we want to change our notification sound on our Android phone, usually we have to go to the settings and we have to select sounds and vibration. Then here we can click on notification sound. But unfortunately, there's no option to set custom notification sound. If you have this problem, don't worry because I'm going to give you the tutorial. So guys, you have to open your file manager on your Android phone. So this is my file manager or my files application. We can click on it and here we have to go to the internal storage. Again, you have to look for the notifications folder, this one. And if you want to set custom notification sound on your Android, you have to move the audio or the sound you would like to set as your notification to this notifications folder. And I'm going to move or copy the sound to my notification folder. We can tap and hold on it. Then I'm just going to copy the sound. We can go back and click on the notifications. Then we can click on copy here. Oops. Okay, and now the sound has been copied to my notifications folder on my internal storage. Then we can go back to the setting. Wait guys. Okay, open the settings and you have to go to the sounds and vibration again. Then click on notification sound. Then wait. Okay, this is the sound I have just copied to my notification folder and we can use it as our notification sound on our Android phone. Alright guys, and that's how we can set custom notification sound on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.